Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make some juicy Chinese style fried chicken.
Y'all better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
I'm going to add 4 leg quarters to some brine. So this is 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar that I'm adding to 6 cups of water. And here I'm just trying to dissolve the salt and the sugar. I have also pre-washed my chicken with vinegar and water. You can use lime and water as well to clean your chicken, and I'm going to leave this overnight in the fridge. You can also leave this for about 4 to 6 hours. So this is the next day, and I'm just going to throw the water away, and here are all the seasonings that I'll be using to get my chicken nice and ready. So here I have 3 cups of water over low heat, and to this I'm going in with scallion, garlic and ginger. Next to this I'll be adding 1 cup of soy sauce. I'm using just dark soy sauce only because that's what I have, but you can use light and dark or only light. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar, that's optional. Next, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, or you can use rice vinegar. Next, a half teaspoon of meat seasoning. You can use Chinese 5-spice seasoning. This is 3-star anise as well. I did not use Chinese 5-spice seasoning because there is something in it that I just can't have. So this is over low heat, and while this is nice and heating up, I'm going to be adding in the leg quarters. And definitely ensure that your stove is over low heat. You don't want this to start bubbling up as if you're cooking down your chicken or anything like that. We're going to allow the chicken to soak in the hot liquid for about 20 minutes. So once you add all your chicken in and your liquid starts to get warm or hot, you're going to use your spoon or whatever you're using to baste your chicken. Just add some of that liquid all over. And because I'm using dark soy sauce, my chicken is going to be very dark. But if you use light soy sauce, then yours won't be as dark as mine. My liquid is not as hot, so what I'm going to do, you're seeing a little steam coming from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow this to boil up just a little. It's over the lowest flame it can go. You don't want this to start bubbling as if you're cooking down chicken, guys. No, this bubbling is fine. Now you can just turn it all the way down, and you're going to leave your chicken in and you're going to gradually baste it, and you're going to do this or leave the chicken in the liquid and keep on basting it over the 20 minutes period. This is what is will help your chicken to be nice and juicy on the inside. I find this method of frying chicken really interesting. What do you guys think about this method? So just keep on doing that, and notice that my liquid is not bubbling. No, it is nice and warm. It's over the lowest flame. So cover that up, and then we'll be back in 15 minutes. So here, guys, after 15 minutes is up, my stove has been turned off completely. My chicken is nice and dark right now. I'm just going to take them out and leave them to drain here on my rack, and you want the chicken to kind of air dry before you fry it. Right now the chicken is nice and tender, nice and juicy. So just take them out, let it relax, and this liquid that's left in the pot, guys, you can use this to make your own style of gravy that you want for your chicken or your sauce. But that's not what this video is about. So let's get back to our chicken. Here it is. Leave your chicken to air dry. It's looking good and it's smelling good. So after you've left this to air dry now, guys, In a pot, you're going to need 2 to 3 cups of oil to deep fry your chicken pieces. Ensure that your oil is really nice and hot. Do not put your chicken in cold oil. And you just go in with your chicken pieces. Try your best to ensure that the chicken is air dried as much as possible, because you do not want to add water to really hot oil. That will splash and burn you guys, alright? So just add your chicken pieces in. You don't need to fry these for a very long time, because remember, they were practically cooking in that nice and warm liquid. So just fry them until the outer parts are nice and crispy. About 4 minutes will do. I really love Chinese style fried chicken, guys, and I really hope you guys will love this recipe as well. So get those chicken nice and under the oil. If you do not have enough oil to deep fry your chicken, guys, don't worry. Still take your time to fry your chicken. Alright, give that about 4 minutes and they are nice and ready. About 4 to 6 minutes to get them nice and crispy on the outside on both sides. Then you just leave them to drain just a little, and you can just chop this up nicely and serve it. Look at how juicy the meat inside looks, guys. Really moist, really nice Chinese style fried chicken. I love Chinese style fried chicken. I decided to share this recipe with you guys, so let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this recipe. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at romazkitchen.net. Until next video.